This video we're going to be going over at FC24 Pro Clubs or Clubs Fullback build. Now this is a starter build with only 10 skill points, so obviously when you do max out your character a little bit more, you will be able to add additional things to this, but this is mainly just to get you started. So player profile, always important, like I keep saying in every single video, because like I said, it's kind of the most important part of this, to get your character to feel the way you want them to feel. Now when it comes to weight, I think weight's important when it comes to fullbacks, because you don't want it to be too big. I know centre backs can be quite big, but the fullbacks need to still have that ability to run up and down the wing if you need to, but also not be thrown off the ball very easily. And I think 140, 145, even 138 is kind of like a good amount. You don't want to make it too heavy, because then it's going to be very clunky. You're not going to be able to move very quick, which is a bit unfortunate. So make sure you keep it around about 140. I think that's a really good weight. When it comes to height, you can do 5'7", you can do 5'8", you can maybe even get away with 5'9" as well. 5'6" works too, to be fair. It depends on how nimble you want to be. It just kind of depends. Now, you obviously want to have your outside foot be your main foot so you can put the crosses in. That is the most important thing. Crosses are going to be super important, especially in this game. Now when it gets to playstyles, obviously you're only going to have one playstyle at level 1, then you get your second playstyle a bit later on down the line, but the playstyle that you do want to have is whipped pass. Whipped pass is absolutely broken in this game. If you have whipped pass on there, you can make these insane crosses. You can do incisive pass as well. That's a really good option, which allows you to do different variations of pass. But if you're just mainly crossing, then whip pass is definitely the best option. It's absolutely broken at the moment, so you might as well go for that. Then when it comes to attributes, obviously we're not going to have a lot of skill points to use here. We only have 10. As you can see, I've got 8 free, and that's because I've leveled up past level, obviously the starting level. But you do want to put a little bit on acceleration, because it will help you down that wing. Shooting, you don't want anything. Passing, you don't really want anything just yet. If you do have extra skill points, and obviously this is where I'd put it. Dribbling, nothing really yet, but you do want to make sure you get some defensive stats on there. Very important. You do need help out at the back. Very important. So make sure you do put the 3 top ones on. Now you can remove slide tackle if you don't like to use it all that often, or stand tackle. I do think stand tackle and defensive awareness are the 2 most important ones here, especially to start off with. And then if you do have anything spare, I would recommend maybe putting it on physical, because physical will help you a ton. So either passing or physical, depending on what kind of player you are. If you like to get forward a bit more, then maybe more passing. If you like to do a bit more defending, which is what I would actually personally recommend, then you should go for a bit more stamina and a bit more strength. But that is the fullback build for a starter build. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.